Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. I'm again back with a new paragraph of Nuzha wa Tabh. This paragraph is the third portion of this unwan, Nuzha wa Tabh. If you haven't seen the first two portions, then go to our channel and watch those videos first. So, without any further delay, let's see the paragraph and learn Al-Arabiyyat al-Fusha, the modern standard Arabic. So, Nuzha wa Tabh, as you know already, that Nuzha means outing, to go for a picnic, and Tabh means cooking. Okay, Tabakha yadbakhu tabkhan, to cook. Okay. So, Qala Dawood wa Umaru. Dawood and Umar said, okay, Dawood and Umar said, Bal naqsidu al-bustan al-kabira. But rather, okay, bal means but or but rather, whatever suits the translation, the meaningful translation, okay. But rather, we qasada yaqsidu qasdan, it means to head, but rather we will go al-bustan al-kabira, to the big garden, big park, okay, to the big park. We will head to the big park. Fi wasatil Madina, in the middle of the city. Wasat means middle. Okay, Al Madina means city. Okay, in the middle of the city. Okay, in the middle of the city. Wal naqsitul bustan al kabira, but rather we will head to the big park in the middle of the city. Fi wasatil Madina. Fa innal bustana qaribun, because okay, because al bustana, the park qarib is near. Fa innal bustana qaribun fala yazi'u waqtuna. Za'a yazi'u ziya'an, it means to waste. Okay, fala yazi'u waqtuna, waqt is the file, is the subject. Okay, so fa means so, our time, waqtuna, our time will not yazi'u, waste. So our time will not waste. في الذهاب إلى زاحية من زواحي البلد. So our time will not waste in going. في الذهاب, zahab is the masdar, and I said previously that if a masdar comes, we translate it with ing in the verb. في الذهاب إلى زاحية, in going to any city side, okay, this is the translation of this whole line. Ila zahiyatin min zawahil baladi, al balad means city, country. Okay, fala yazi'u waqtuna fi zahabi ila zahiyatin min zawahil baladi, so our time will not waste in going to any city side. Okay, Qala Sulaymanu wa Hashim, Sulayman and Hashim said, Qala yaqulu qawlan, to say, said, Bal natawajjahu, but rather, natawajjahu, we will go, natawajjahu, ila ba'zi zawahi, to some other side. Okay, to some other sides. Ba'z is zahab, ba'z means some, and zawahi is the plural form of zahiya. So to some other city side. لأن نريد أن نطبخ الطعام ونقضي النهار. لأن, because we, because نريد أن, we want. Arada yuridu iradatan, okay, it means to want. Nuridu, we want. Uridu, I want. Okay, turidu, you want. Lianna nuridu, because we want. An nadbakha tu'ama, to cook food. Wa naqdi nahara, and to spend the day. An nahar means day, okay. Nahar means day. Fin nuzhati wattaq, in outing and cooking. Why I am translating with to spend, okay, to cook? Because an here is masdariya. An is making natbakh and naqdi in masdar form, okay, in masdar form. لأننا نريد أن نطبخ, because we want to cook the food and to spend the day in outing and cooking, okay. So that's why we should go somewhere else so that we can get a big space. فاستقر رأينا على الذهاب إلى الضاحية. فاستقر رأينا. استقر يستقر استقرارا, it means to settle, okay. رأي, رأي means decision, okay. فاستقر رأينا, our decision has been settled. Our decision has been settled. Or you can say we decided. In simple, we decided. So fa means so. استقر رأينا, we decided, okay, we decided. The asal translation is not we decided, but rather our decision, ra'yuna, our decision, istaqarra, has been settled, okay. But in simple we just translate it, we decided. Ala zahabi ila zahiya, we decided to go to a side, okay, to a side, to a city side. Zahiya, to a side, to a city side. Waqtarayna markabatan. Iktara yaktari iktiraan, it means to take on rent, to take something on rent, okay. Iktarayna, we took on rent, we took on rent. Markabatan, a vehicle. Markabatan, a vehicle. A vehicle, we took a vehicle on rent. Wa wasalna, and we reached. Wasala yasilu, wusulan, it means to reach, okay. And we reached. Min sa'atina, right away, without any delay, right away. Ila zahiya, to the side, to the city side, okay. Min sa'atina, I explained this in the previous video, okay. Min sa'atina, why this is here na? Because the verb here is in mutakallim form, jama mutakallim form. Wasalna, that's why sa'atina. If it is wasaltu, then it would be sa'ati, okay. So it depends on the verb. So again I am reading this for you. Qala Dawood wa Umar, Dawood and Umar said, Bal naqsidul bustan al kabira, but rather we will head to the big park. Al kabir, big, to the big park. Fi wasatil madinati, in the middle of the city. Al Madina city, wasat, middle, and fi, in. Fa innal bustana qarib, because the park is near. Fala yazi'u waqtuna, so our time will not waste. Fala yazi'u, not waste, will not waste. Waqtuna, our time. Fi zahabi ila zahiyatin min zawahil baladi, in going to any city side, to any other city side. Qala Sulaymanu wa Hashim, Sulaiman and Hashim said, Bal natawajjahu ila ba'zi zawahi, but rather we will go to some other side. Li'anna, because nuridu, we want. أن نطبخ الطعام, we want to cook food, ونقضي النهار, and to spend the day في النزهة والطبخ, in outing and cooking. فاستقر رأينا, so we decided to go to a city side على الذهاب إلى الضاحية. واقترينا مركبة, and we took on rent a vehicle. ووصلنا, and we reached من ساعتنا, right away without any delay, إلى الضاحية, to the city side. Hope you understood this paragraph. You have many words to use in your spoken Arabic. If you want to get videos like this, so just subscribe my channel and hit the like button. This is enough for today. We will meet